What's up, folks? Welcome to my video. It's the 8th of July 2009. It's 9:12 a.m. Market's not open yet, obviously, and got some interesting stuff going on today. Got this some news on RTP that has made it gap down about 16%. And got this Amgen up 15%. Would like to short this. This thing has skyrocketed, so it's kind of topped out here. So yeah, interesting stuff here. So I'll be back when the market opens, and hopefully get some good trades in today. Alright guys, here we go. Market's gonna open up here. Like I said, gonna hit along on RTP. Just waiting for the bid side to probably break 24. Gonna hit it for a long here. Alright, there we go. So I got 200 shares, gonna let it ride a bit, and I'll be back to update. Gonna look to also short this Amgen. But I'm not too sure on it. I'd like to probably see it break 60. I think I'll wait out a bit if I'm to short it. It's meeting some support right there. Yeah, I'll wait it out a bit on that. Just stay with my RTP trade. You know what? Just went long on this Amgen. Reason being, I didn't realize the stochastics, it was oversold. So due to that news, it's just gonna go way higher. So we're long on this Amgen right now. I don't really have much of a target, to be honest. It's just if you look at the daily, there's really nothing there. But I kind of like that profit there, $500. So took 566 on there, and this RTP. I think I'm gonna take it here. So just sold my 200 shares and made a decent profit there. So I'm up 758, and might look to trade this Amgen again. It's very interesting. So I'll be back with some more stuff here, guys. Alright, just went long on Amgen again, just 500. It's got up to 60.95, and I'll be back to update you guys. Probably going to get more. Add to this position if it gets a little lower, but I'm satisfied with my entry. It's around 650, so I believe that's a good entry point. So I'll be back to update you guys. Alright guys, got more of this Amgen 1500 share position here, and I think maybe I got a little bit out of control with it, but lowered my entry price to 60.33, and it's meeting some resistance at 60.50, but I'm expecting this thing to go up pretty high. Got to be careful though. We're getting to the overbought, so we'll see what happens here. So be back to update. It's back to update here, and I'm gonna look at show you guys the daily, the upside potential that it has. It has a potential to get up to 62.50, which is a top back here in last year in November. I kind of doubt it, but maybe we'll see 62, or see it start trading in the 61 area today. It's definitely possible. There's another resistance point here at about 61. Actually, no, it's at 60.90. So that's pretty much at the high of the day. So also, if we break that high of the day, we'll be off to the races to this next mark here at around 62. So alright guys, be back to update here. What I'd like to see is for it to break 60.50. That's it's been heavy resistance. So be back guys. Alright guys, in the meantime, I'm gonna take a short on this stock MSCS. It's only 7.57 per share, so I am looking for it to drop though. It's gapped up pretty high in this Amgen. See, it's back at this resistance market, 60.50. Let's see if it breaks this, and we should be off to the races here. I don't think I'm gonna catch it on tape, but I'm gonna put it back on pause here. You see some heavy selling going on at 60.50. Anyway, be back to update. Alright, we're getting a little market move here, so let's see if this helps out my my Amgen long here. Let's see if it could help it break through the 50 cent mark. I guess not. Kind of overbought now, but like I said, this thing still has some more upside potential, so I'm gonna hold on. Alright, here goes this MSCS. Not really flying yet, but it's going to lows. Well, it was for a second. Well, we'll see. I'm expecting it to go to lows. Alright, there's this Amgen back towards this 50. I want to see it break this time. I'll be back to update, back on pause guys. Alright, here we go, back on the 50, and you see dropping back down. I think if it goes through the 50, we're flying. We should be flying a bit. So back on pause here. Alright, here we go. Just broke the 50 and it's going nuts here. A lot of action. Don't really want to see it come back down to that 50. Looks like it is. I don't think I'm going to get too greedy here. I think I'm going to take mine. Okay, I'm going to take mine. That was fun. So I'm up 1291 and made a decent amount on that trade there. So still in this MSCS. It's not really moving much, not really doing anything. So gonna let this ride. Probably set a stop loss. And come back to trade something else. So I'll be back guys. Alright guys, got back in this Amgen. I just can't help myself. It's come down to an area of support more or less. So we're gonna see again if it can break 50, and might be off to the races again. My entry is a 60.80 60.38. So be back to update you guys. Alright guys, just got out of this Amgen. It's just been schlupping around basically, so it's probably better on the short side. I guess the bears see the overbought conditions, or seen it right here, and we got the sell-off, and that wasn't looking so great. So took a small profit. I'm up 1333, and this MSCS hasn't stopped me out. It's actually it's looking alright right here, and I'll be back with some more trades.